Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you invite friends on Kakaotalk app. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now click on the top right, the middle icon here, add friend. After clicking it, click on the top right invite option with a message icon. Now here you can see there are three processes to invite your friends in Kakaotalk. The first one is invite via SMS. Click it. After clicking it, all of your contacts will be shown here. You can just select their contacts and send them a SMS to their phone number, and they can just join Kakaotalk through the message. Now here you can see the second option is other apps. Click on it. You can just invite your friends through third-party apps to join Kakaotalk. I'm just selecting Instagram. You can just send an invitation link to your friend and they can join Kakaotalk. And the third one is copy invitation link. Click it and the invitation link is copied. Now you can just send it to any of your friends anywhere. So guys, that's how you can invite friends on Kakaotalk. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.